ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, once again welcome to Transformers and AC Motors class. Under this, unit 4 is starting and speed control of induction motors. Necessity of starters, different types of starters, dual starters, star delta starter, auto transformer starter, soft starters, all those things studied, construction and working of different types of starters. Next, speed control of induction motor, speed control from the stator side, speed control from the rotor side. We discussed speed control from the stator side by changing the supply voltage, speed control from the stator side by changing the supply voltage, by changing the frequency, by changing the number of poles, different methods. That means ns equal to 120 f by p, synchronous speed equal to, so rotor speed equal to 1 minus s into ns, where n is the rotor speed, f frequency, p number of poles. That means rotor speed depends on the supply voltage, number of poles and frequency. So in this class, session number 37, speed control of induction motor by change of poles method study ಮಾಡುವ. Poles, number of poles ಅನ್ನು change ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ. Pole changing method is one of the speed control scheme of induction motor. ಬೇರೆ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇದ್ದ ಹಾಗೆ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್. In this scheme, the number of pairs is changed by changing the field connections. That means 2 pole ಅಥವಾ 4 pole ಹೀಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ವೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. In induction motor, field winding is wound on the stator while armature winding is wound on the rotor. ಇಂಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೋಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ವೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟರ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಆರ್ಮೇಚರ್ ವೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ರೋಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಅದೇ ಡಿಸಿ ಮಿಷಿನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆರ್ಮೇಚರ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೋಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ವೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟರ್, ಆರ್ಮೇಚರ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ ರೋಟರ್. ಇನ್ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಮೇಚರ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟರ್, ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ವೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ rotor in alternator AC generator. So in this scheme, provision for changing the stator winding connections is provided to achieve different number of pole pairs. Pole pairs 2 pole 4 pole ಹೀಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. When the stator winding is energized by 3-phase AC source, a rotating magnetic flux is developed in the air gap. ಸ್ಟೇಟರ್ ವೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ 3-phase ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ರೊಟೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಆರ್ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ns equal to 120 f by p ಅಂತ ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. The magnetic field rotates with the synchronous speed. The synchronous speed is given by ns equal to 120 f by p, where f is the supply frequency in hertz, p is the number of poles. Thus, if it is possible to change the value of p, the synchronous speed can varied. p ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸಿಂಕ್ರೋನಸ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ ಆಸ್ ದಿ ರೋಟರ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೋಟರ್ n equal to ns into 1 minus s. So 1 minus s, 1 minus 0.05, for example, if slip is 5%, that means rotor speed is slightly less than the synchronous speed. Therefore, speed of induction motor can be varied by pole changing, since the number of poles pairs can only be changed to in steps like from 2 to 4. This scheme provides stepped speed control. The given below diagram, you can see that the phase winding, which is drawn separately for clear observation. Here sample winding is there, you can see here supply current flows through like this and like this. Here then it is north pole. If current is like this, north pole n If current flows anti-clock directions like this, then it's the north pole ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Arrow mark here also. So anti-clockwise direction. If in this coil current flows clockwise directions like this, so it is south pole. Current in the clockwise direction, so south pole. ಹೀಗೆ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಹೀಗೆ ತಿರುಗಿದ್ರೆ ಸೌತ್ ಪೋಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ವೈಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಹೀಗೆ ಆಂಟಿ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ವೈಸ್ ತಿರುಗಿದ್ರೆ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಪೋಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಪೋಲ್ ಸೌತ್ ಪೋಲ್ 2 ಪೋಲ್ ಮಿಷಿನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. This for simplification purpose only one phase winding is given. If you change the current directions like this, ಇಲ್ಲಿ current directions anti-clockwise ಹರಿತದೆ, here also anti-clockwise ಹರಿತದೆ. So both becomes north pole, this north pole. ಎರಡು ನಾರ್ತ್ ಪೋಲ್ ಇರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅದರ ಮಿಡ್ಲ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಸೌತ್ ಪೋಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. This here one south pole and here south pole. So it becomes 4 pole now. Here also we can see the change in the current directions. In 2 pole configuration, one coil is a north pole and the other one is south pole. When the connection on one of the 2 coils is reversed like this, then there are both north poles and the magnetic flux return to the stator at a points halfway between the 2 coils. The south poles are called consequent poles and the winding is now 4 pole winding. This here also north pole, here also north pole. So in between that south pole. So totally 4 pole winding. Accordingly, synchronous speed, rotor speed, other things changes. If current passes like this is the north pole, this is south pole, only 2 pole machines. Here current hige south pole tara clockwise tara irtade, so it's south pole. Here also like that. Next to here it comes, this one comes, so 4 pole machines. How to change the 2 pole to 4 pole explained clearly here by changing the current direction in the stator field winding. You can see in the circuit which is labeled in the diagram A, it describes the direction of current flowing in the phase of stator windings during the normal working operations. The field left the stator in the upper phase group, that's the north pole, and going into the stator in the lower phase group, that is south pole. This winding is now 2 poles at the stator. Now let us assume that the direction of current I moving in the lower phase group on the stator is inverted, then field left starting part of the motor in both the lower phase and the upper phase. Everyone will behave like the north pole. Eradu north pole. This phenomenon is shown in the diagram B. The flux in the motor should come back to the stator among the 2 phase groups, which creates a couple of resultant south poles. Note that now there are 4 poles on the stator, 2 times more than the earlier motor. 2 pole is 4 pole aitu by changing the current direction in the field winding. This method is generally used for squirrel cage induction motor, as the squirrel cage rotor adapts itself for any number of stator poles. Squirrel cage rotor ಆದರೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು 4 ಪೋಲ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ರೋಟರ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಅಡಾಪ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸ್ಟೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಪೋಲ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ರೋಟರ್ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ 2 ಪೋಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಡಾಪ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Change in the stator poles is achieved by 2 or more independent stator windings wound for different number of poles in the same slots. For example, a stator is wound with a three-phase winding, one for 2 poles and other for 4 poles, for the supply of 50 Hz. Synchronous speed when 4-pole winding is connected. Here 2-pole winding, here 4-pole. Two, here 4. Two-pole winding, then NS is equal to formula 120 by P, 120 into 50 by 2. 120 into 50 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 6000 by 2 ಅಂದರೆ 3000 RPM ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದೇ 4-pole machine connect ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ NS equal 120 by P, 120 into 50, 6000 by 4, 1500 RPM. 1500 RPM ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Then rotor speed is given by N equal to 1 minus S into NS. NS is synchronous speed, S is slip in fractions. 5% slip ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0.05, 4% slip means 0.04 like that. So you can change the rotor speed also by changing the number of stator poles, by changing the current in the stator winding. So in this method we studied speed control of induction motor, by changing the number of poles, change of poles method. Number of poles ಅನ್ನು change ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ವೇರಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. You can refer all these textbooks, Electrical Technology Volume 2, BL Tareja and AK Tareja exchange publications, also Principles of Electrical Machines by V.K. Mehta exchange publications, Electrical Machines Theory and Practice by M.N. Andopadhyaya PHA publications, Electrical Machines by Bhattacharya Tata McGraw-Hill Company, Electrical Machines J.P. Gupta, Kataria and Sons publications. Other than this, so many other electrical machines textbooks also available. In soft copy also available. You can refer either soft copy or hard copy. Okay, thank you all. Daily read more, study more. Practice makes more perfect. All the best.